welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, hi, I'm V and I do videos on product reviews and beauty tutorials. As you can see by the title of the video, I'm going to be doing another AZAZIE Bridal review. Please remember to like and subscribe and follow my Instagram at V_Vogue. We are almost at 10,000 subscribers, which is absolutely crazy. So thankful for all of you who have been through this journey with me and are continuing to see how I'm growing on my channel. I've now done 2 AZAZIE dress reviews. I put the links in the description box below for you guys to see. I did do the Demetria and the Skylin. 2 dresses I really thought were so beautiful, really well made. Were just not for me, were not my it dress for my wedding. But today we are not going to be doing a bridal wedding dress. We're going to be doing a bridal little white dress review. The dress that I'm doing today is actually very similar to the Demetria, although it is kind of like the little white dress version of it. These dresses are often used for either like an engagement party, your bridal shower, even during the wedding if you want to get changed from your big gown and wear something a little more comfortable that you can dance in. These are dresses that are perfect for that. If you're not familiar with AZAZIE's try-on program, it's super easy. Basically, it's $20 per dress, up to 3 dresses. And basically you get to try it on for $20. And then if you don't like it, you can ship it back, or you can decide to keep it for the retail price. So I saw that the Clover was available on the try on page. So I decided, you know what? For $20, I think I would really love just to try it. And if it's not for me, it's fine, I can return it. I have done the return process with AZAZIE twice now, and it's super easy, hassle-free. They basically just send you the shipping label, you bring it to the post office, they receive it at their warehouse, and then you get the refund. You even have your girls over, do a little try-on party. It's like a really great program. I really think it's a great idea. So I would say the Clover is pretty much the Demetria, but in the short form version. I didn't like that the Demetria was like overly poofy. I found that it wasn't as flattering to my body type as I would have liked. So I'm figuring, you know what, I really like the shape and overall cut of the dress, so might as well try it in its mini version. So enough chit chat, let's try on the AZAZIE Clover. For the interior, it is very similar to the Demetria in the sense that we have some really lovely lining on the interior. Everything feels super well done and well made. And we do have the boob padding just so we don't have to wear a bra on the inside. And just like the Demetria, we also have this kind of like a bra corset feature that gives you a little bit of extra tightness to secure the dress to your back. This is the Clover. Very similar again to the Demetria. Basically, I think it's just the exact same thing, but shorter. First impressions, just like the Demetria, I do really like how well it's made. It feels very secure to my bust. And I will say it is very true to size. I am a size 12 and I do have pretty much the same measurements as the 12. Now let's take a look at the layers of this dress. We have the initial liner. We have a tulle layer here that I think just gives more volume to the waist portion. Then we have a thicker, longer piece of tulle that just gives overall body. Then we have another piece of liner. And to top it off, then we have the lace layer to finish. So that is 5 pieces of fabric, which gives it this poofiness that we have here, which if this is for you, fantastic. But if you're not looking for this much poof, it's because of all the layers of the tulle and the fabric. Another thing about this dress that is true about the Demetria as well is that I do wish that it had a bit of boning or structure at the top part of the corset, because it's not really a corset. We have some boning and structure here. We have some on the back side, but we're lacking it at the top. So I feel like we're losing the cat eye shape that we are meant to have. I feel like if there was boning here, we would be able to have more form and structure here, but we're losing it. We're losing what could be this very tight knit snatch neckline, and it's just feeling a little bit neglected there. But from far away, you can't tell. This is just something that I'm a little nitpicky about, but I just think it's the lack of structure at the top that is kind of losing me a little bit. Because we do have some really beautiful details going along the backside. I really love how this feels. It feels very tight against my back, and that it's not going to come apart or fall off throughout the day. The lace detail is really beautiful. I think it's really well done. It doesn't feel like there are any seams that are sloppily made or not made with care. It is just the boning part that I think we're lacking in a bit, but everything feels very tight and very secure on the dress, and that nothing is going to fall off or come apart. So that's my review of the Clover. I think it's a beautiful dress, don't get me wrong. I just think it's a little too poofy for me. Again, with the Demetria, same issue, again, with the lack of boning at the front. I think I would like something a little bit more structured. If you're not nitpicky about certain little details like I am, you know, this is super budget friendly. I think for a retail price, it is $239 Canadian. So it is a beautiful, lovely little dress if you want to have like a little white dress for your second entrance for the wedding. I just think for me, this is not quite it. But it's beautiful. I think what I'm looking for is maybe something a little bit less poofy. I think in the pictures it looked a little more subtle, which is okay, you know, it's just not what I'm going for. So I hope you guys liked this review and unboxing of the Clover. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye!